Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix select an account messenger bug. So let's get started. So first things first, you want to ensure that you're connected to an internet source, so that's whether by having cellular data or Wi-Fi, and you want to ensure that you have fast and stable internet connection. So now that that is established, you want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and check if you have any updates for Messenger, and you would quickly need to update the Messenger application. Now, if this does not work for you, what you could do if you're an Android user is by going to the app information for the Messenger application and clearing the data and cache for the application, and you'd also need to force stop Messenger. Now, if you're an iOS user, you know that clearing data and cache is not as simple as if you were an Android user. So you'd simply need to long press on the Messenger application and tap on delete app, and this will remove all the data of the application. So once you've deleted the application, you would need to reinstall the application to your device, after which you would need to manually log back in. Now, if this does not resolve the issue, you could always try restarting your device, or you could go ahead and, again, if you're an Android user, clear the data and cache for the Facebook application and force stop it. And you could also go ahead and delete the Facebook application from your iOS device and reinstall it. And that should pretty much clear up the problem. So that's how you'd go about fixing select an account messenger bug. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.